Sakubona. In this lesson, I'll teach you plurals of words that you already know. Okay, let's get into their plurals right now. So, remember, a grandmother is called ugogo. So now when you're saying grandmothers, you say ogogo. Ngibona ogogo. I am seeing grandmothers. Okay? And then what is the word for grandfather? Ukhulu, right? So now when there's two or more, we call them okhulu. Ngibona okhulu. I'm seeing grandfathers. All right. Umama, one mother. Omama, mothers. So how do you say I am seeing mothers? Ngibona omama. Angisho. And what about fathers? Right. Obaba. I am seeing fathers. What does it become? Ngibona obaba. Perfect. Now, if you want to say men, what is the word for a man? Indoda. Angithi. So now when it's two or more, we call them amadoda. And you are going to say, ngibona amadoda. I am seeing men. Okay? Moving on, we have women, right? What is the word for a woman? Umfazi. And then the plural becomes abafazi. So you are going to say, ngibona abafazi. I am seeing women. All right. So the question then becomes, when do I say abafazi and when do I say omama? All right. So the rule of thumb is this. If you're talking about ladies old enough to be your mom, call them omama. Okay? Just call them omama. But if you're talking about maybe just a little bit older, you can then call them abafazi. So it's more respectful for elderly women. Yeah, it's more respectful to call them omama. I hope it makes sense. Same goes with the gentlemen, right? If you're talking about men, right, you'll say amadoda. But if you're talking about men old enough to be your father, you want to respect them, you'll say obaba. I hope it makes sense. Okay. And then umfana is a boy, remember? So abafana, the boys. Ngibona abafana. And what about a girl? What is it called in Ndebele? Inkazana. And then girls become amankazana. Okay? How will you say I am seeing girls? Ngibona amankazana. All right. Perfect. Children. What do we call children in Ndebele? We call them abantwana, right? A child, we call it umntwana. So you would say ngibona abantwana in this case. Okay. Ngibona abantwana. Umbuzo, here is a question. How would you say I see friends? I see friends. Let me know in the comments. Okay. And asiqhubeke ukufunda isiNdebele. Let's continue to learn Ndebele. Bye for now.